This video will guide you through animating your Ready Player Me avatar using Ready Player Me, Mixamo, Blender, and exporting it to Spatial. No specific technical skills are required, just a computer capable of running Blender. Everything used here is free, so there's no cost involved. The steps are straightforward and simple. First, with your created avatar in Ready Player Me, navigate to My Avatars and select Download Avatar, GLB for the avatar you wish to work with. After downloading the avatar, open Blender and clear the existing scene. Then go to File, select Import, choose GLB, and import your avatar. This will bring your avatar into Blender in a meshless format. Next, export this as an FBX file. Name the file, set the path mode to copy, and ensure to tick the adjacent box. Then select Export FBX. Proceed to Mixamo and select Upload Character. Upload the file exported from Blender. Mixamo will automatically anchor the 3D model. Choose the desired animation type, for example, standing idle. Download this file, keeping the settings unchanged. Back in Blender, move your original object aside so it is out of the way. Import the Mixamo exported FBX file. The next step is to reapply the textures to your avatar. In the Scene collection on the top right, select your avatar, then access Material Properties indicated by a globe icon. Choose the asset to modify, switching from the Z1 setting to the original one. This action transfers textures from your original avatar to the FBX file. Switch to Mesh View at the top right, select your original avatar, now unnecessary, and delete it. Pressing play will showcase your avatar with the new animation. Finally, export this as a GLB file via File Export GLB. This file is now ready to be imported into Spatial. In Spatial, adjust the scale to 2 for proper sizing and position the avatar at the desired height. And that concludes the process. You now have your animated avatar in your spatial space. If you would like to learn more about Web3, the metaverse, spatial computing, and AI, join our free community at distributedrepublic.xyz.